All right, so we got oil change time where we're gonna switch out the old oil and we're gonna put in the KOOTZ high performance oil. So give me just a moment. We're gonna get the plugs pulled out of here. Just to show you what I do, because people say, well, how do you do it and not get oil spilling everywhere? I take a funnel, and as I'm twisting the top off, I have the funnel here. The oil drips in there, and it literally just goes right into my pan. No mess. Put the top back on, and then put my oil in the front. It's real simple, guys. Just using the simple ramp system I got from Harbor Freight. That's it. So I'll be right back.